Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can shut down a Chromebook when it's frozen. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, you will need to restart your GPU. In order to do that, you will need to press the Ctrl plus Shift plus Windows plus B keys on your keyboard. Once you do that, the screen will blink once, then you just need to wait a couple of seconds. Next, press the Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape keys on your keyboard. This will open up the task manager on your device. Just click on the Startup Apps feature from the left side menu and a bunch of apps will be displayed on your screen. You just need to make sure to disable any unnecessary apps from launching at startup. Then, get to the Processes tab and look for the apps that are using the most of your device's resources. Once you find one, make sure to select it and click on the End Task button. You can then get to the File Explorer process and click on the Restart Task button at the top to refresh your device. If the issue persists, you can try shutting down your Chromebook completely. To do this, press and hold the power button until the device turns off. Wait for a few seconds, then press the power button again to turn it back on. So that's basically how you can shut down a Chromebook when it's frozen. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.